Hi everyone, it's Adam from Cubed3 here, and I have a brand new product from Anker. It's the Soundcore Life P3 compact buds with ultimate noise cancelling. I'm very excited about these, and I love the red colour that we have. It's very different from what we normally choose. We've had white, we've had blue, we've had pink headphones, and now we have these delightful red earphones that come with thumping sound. So as we have here on the box, on the back, you can see at the top there it says Life P3. It's by Soundcore. Multi-mode active noise cancelling. Clear calls via 6 microphones. 7 hours playtime with 35 hours with the charging case. Oversized 11mm drivers, wireless charging, IPX5 water resistant, so you can wear them when you're in the rain or if you're sweating, not a problem. The wireless charging is also very good because you can use it with the Anker wireless charging battery. So what's in the box? You have your Soundcore Life P3, your charging case, your different types of ear tips, which are brilliant. As I found out in previous videos, my ears require different tips depending on the earphone. So I think one was a medium ear tip and one was a small, one for my left, one for my right ear. And you have a USB-C cable for charging. On the box here we have incredible sound loved by 20 million plus people. That number has obviously increased over the years. You will have seen on previous products it said 10 million. You can see there 35 hours playtime, thumping sound, BassUp, hybrid active noise cancelling, that's ANC. True wireless noise cancelling earbuds. There's a very stylish picture. There's just random information on the bottom, Bluetooth information on the top. You can see the very snazzy D symbol symbolizing the Soundcore looking like a musical note. And there you can see it says Soundcore Life P3. So let's get these open. Come on, let's get them open. Oh, exciting. Woohoo! There's the box. Turn that around there so you can see that very nicely. How's that? Okay. Oh, look at this. This looks a bit orangey rather than red, actually. So what do we have here? In here, we have, let's get this open. Oh, this is a bit different. Normally the earbuds are inside the box, the main box, but they're in this little separate container. These are definitely very orangey. It's a very light red colour. Then we have, we have our USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And then in here, what does that say? Sound. That's going to be the how do we sound thing. So there's the little shell, the charging case inside the box. Yes, sure enough, if I pull this out, ta-da, put that over there. How do we sound? It's the usual feedback. So let me put the back of the box over there so you can see that. How do we sound? And then we have the quick start guide. Okay, and then we have some safety information. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Let's take this cellophane wrapper off. Here we have very cool orangey coloured, pinky, meant to be red, but I'd say maybe salmon colour. Now is that focusing? Soundcore Life P3. It's very nice. It's got this sort of matte finish, which we've seen on some of the more recent Anker products. It's got a nice shiny element around the edge though. It looks like a little mouth, like it's going to go hello
I'm the Anker Soundcore Live P3 earphones. Do you want to buy me? Yes, you do.
So there we go. How does this open? It's, oh, okay, that's different. Okay, that's very different. The previous ones that we were trying didn't have a hinge here. They slid out. This though, you lift up. I'm not sure about that. That seems a bit weaker than some of the previous headphones we tried. But it closes nicely. It's not loose, so it's not going to open on its own. Has it got a bite point? No, it just seems to pop open. Okay, well, we have your USB-C charge port there. And we have our earphones here. Look at these. Very delightful. Very much like the Liberty Air 2 Pro. So I wonder if this is maybe like the budget version of the Liberty Air 2 Pro. So we have a very sleek design here. You can see the Soundcore D logo on there. Very interesting design in that there is a little bit at the top here that's not covered up. Very shiny. So there are your ear tips. So you can take an ear tip off very easily. See, there you go. Or you can pop them back on by just pushing that in there. And there you go, ear tip is on again. So does it have a left and a right on? Last time I had to take the little sticker off. So there you can see under the sticker are the little charge points. So the little magnetic things. They will help it clip into place in the case. Clip into place in the case. Now I don't see any lettering on this. So unless I'm being silly. Can you see that little hole at the bottom? There's your microphone. And I believe that is also a black dot there. Unless that's the sensor. Because a lot of these, when you take them out of your ear, the music that you're playing will stop. So there we go. So those are little magnets. Oh, there we go. Can you see that? Is it gonna? Can you see the L? Right, yeah. So that's. Where's the? Can you see the R then? Oh, that's interesting. So there's no R written on there, because they must presume that once you realise. Did you hear the satisfying click, by the way? The magnetic. Let's try that again. Yeah. So they must presume that since you can see the letter L, you automatically know that that is the left one, not the right one. Does it have any charge in there at the moment? I don't know if you can see that very clearly, but the lights are shining. There you go. Shut the lid and it will charge. So it looks like it's 2/3 full, this charging case. So when I open it, two of the lights come on. You can see 1, 2. In fact, when I open it, no, actually, can you see all three? They're just going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sounds like a song, that, doesn't it? I want to swing from the chandelier. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, so we don't need my singing. So those are the Life P3 from Anker. It says right, it says left on the inside there. There's no text inside there. Very sleek, very snazzy. That's the power button, just to check how much charge is on the case. And then as the clamshell shuts, there you go, it starts charging your earphones. So So there we go. This seems to be a bit more of a budget version of the Soundcore Anker Liberty 2 Air Pro that we looked at recently with the dark blue case. But as it says on the box, it still has BassUp. It has multi-mode active noise cancelling. It has the oversized 11mm drivers and clear calls via the 6 microphones. So these are going to be powerful earphones no matter what. It just could be these are the versions that are better for those on a lower budget. It's great the amount of products that Anker come out with. They offer such a wide range of devices. So that's it, the unboxing video for Soundcore by Anker Live P3 True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow Cubed3 on YouTube, like us, hit the notification bell, and so on and so forth. Leave a comment if you would like to. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever takes your fancy. And I'll be back with more unboxing videos for you very soon. Bye for now.